Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Honeywell thermostat that is not turning on the heat in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that the thermostat is set to the heat mode and it should not be on the cool mode. The mode should also not be off or emergency heat if your system doesn't use it. So you need to set the desired temperature at least 3 to 5 degree higher than the current room temperature to trigger a heating call. Now, if your thermostat uses batteries, the weak batteries can cause the heating issues even if the display is still working. So in this case, you just have to simply replace these batteries and you need to install a fresh set of batteries. And after doing so, you just have to simply test the system again. Now you can also check your furnace power. So simply go to the furnace and make sure that the power switch is turned on. You can also check your home's circuit breaker panel for any tripped furnace or HVAC breakers. If the furnace has no power, it won't respond to the thermostat's heating request as well. Now, a severely clogged air filter can also restrict the airflow and then it can cause the furnace to shut down as a safety precaution. So if the filter looks dirty to you, you just have to replace it and try running the heat again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.